am making stick blender hot process soap. I am winding up, closing up my shop for the summer, and this is one of the last soaps that I'm making. Whoops, how much lye did I need? Okay. Right now I am pouring my lye into my water. Lye water is all mixed up. Oh, and I forgot to heat up my oils. So let me get my oils heating here. Alright, so let me heat up my oils and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got my oils heated up, and now my lye water has cooled down a little bit, but I think we're going to be okay. Pour it in gently, it is very hot. Okay, now I'm going to divide this up in two, and I'm going to go ahead and color it before we start the hot process, okay? Woo, that's warm. Oh my, very warm. Alright, so that's going to be my blue. This is going to be my white. Using my electric blue here. Gorgeous, gorgeous color. Then my titanium dioxide. Okay, so let's do the titanium first. Let it cook. Okay, so I think my oil's cooled down just a bit because my lye wasn't real hot. So I'm gonna throw this in the microwave and throw this on the stovetop and give it a little boost here. Okay, so this one's starting to poof in the middle there. That's great. All right, and this one is starting to go. So let's see if we can get them both in there. There we go. Okay, there's the first one. Looking good. Get it stirred in. Okay, here's the next one. You see in there? That is looking good. Oh dear. I think I have just a tiny bit of blue that just fell in there. Good, now we're going. That cook again. While that's cooking, we're going to beat up this one since my blender already has the blue on it. This one going again. All right, now the white is going again. Good. Okay, here comes the blue. Okay, just have to hold on here. Okay, I'll get this on while that's... So the chemical reaction is happening as we speak. This is the modern day way that Grandma would cook it over the hot fire. This is the modern way. This is the modern day way of doing that. You can see it's starting to go again here. Let it cook just a little bit more. So this is just a modern day way of hot process soap. It's called stick blender hot process soap. And you just let the oil in the, you don't let the lye cool down, and you heat the oils up to about 200. And that makes it cook itself. So it's cooking itself, which is great. Then your soap is done quicker, and you can let it dry out for 2 weeks, but you can use it immediately if you'd like. But it's better to have a harder bar and dry out in 2 weeks. But hot process soap you can use right away. So we're just going to let this one bubble for a little bit. This one I'm going to go ahead and blend again. Whoops, my blender is dying. So in case you're wondering what I'm doing here, I'm trying to get the blue one done first, so I don't have to keep just washing my blender back and forth. And then I'll blend this one, the white, and get it done. Ooh, isn't that cool? Oh, it's just so cool. Oops. Oh dear. Matches my gloves. Alright, now this one is almost done. It's hard to tell, but it's at applesauce stage and almost to Vaseline. It's harder to tell with the colors already pre-mixed, but how you tell it's Vaseline is it turns glossy. See how it's getting glossy there? Okay, so this one's about done. So I'm going to clean off my blender. So this one is done. See how glossy that is? That is finished soap, okay? So we're going to get this stirred up. Oh, nice, 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 nice. Okay, so we're going to let that cool down slowly while we finish this one, okay? Okay, see how I've been beating it, and now it's starting to come back and volcano again. The more you beat it with the blender, the faster it goes. Some people will blend it continually for 10 minutes and they call it 10-minute hot process soap, stick blender hot process soap. I've never had it go in 10 minutes. It always takes me 15 or 20, but they seem to be able to do it, so I don't know. Maybe my oils aren't hot enough or something, I don't know. But you can continually blend it and it will go quicker. Okay, so you can see now how it's not bubbling anymore. So it is soap. Now with the white, it's really hard to tell when it's done. And how I tell with the white is when it stops bubbling, but it's smooth. You can see shiny a little bit right there. So you know it's done. So that's good. So now we're going to add our fragrance and our goat milk. There's part of our fragrance for that one. Yeah. And then add fragrance for this one. Alright, so let's get it mixed up here. Now you want this to be cooled down so you don't burn your goat milk when you put it in here. And I'm warming my goat milk up so it won't be cold. Because if you put cold goat milk in here, it will solidify your soap. Ooh, this is tiring. Alright. So that one is at 177, 184. That will be good to put our goat milk in. Get it out of the microwave. Okay. There's our goat milk. Okay, yes, for those of you who know me, I have fibromyalgia, and this is a lot of stirring, and yes, it does really wear me out. Okay, now this is going to be an in-the-pot swirl. So, here we go. All right. Okay, I kind of molded in the middle just a little bit because it does kind of sink in the center as it dries, so then it'll be even.